Hello, I'm Donald Peterson, Dean of the College of Engineering and Engineering Technology at Northern Illinois University. I'm here in the biodynamics lab where our biomedical engineering students are working with me and our faculty engaged in research that can save lives and make work less strenuous for workers with physically demanding jobs, such as assembly line workers, firefighters, and military personnel. They are working on exoskeletons that can augment human performance and safety on the job. And I'm proud to say we are one of just a handful of universities in the Midwest that offer biomedical engineering degrees. I'm also proud to announce that the U.S. News & World Report ranked us in the top 35 in the country out of 206 undergraduate engineering programs for 2021. In fact, we had risen in ranks every year for the past several years. It's a testament to the hard work we've done to provide a quality engineering education that meets the needs of industry by preparing students for the workforce. That's what's unique about our program, is a tremendous number of hands-on opportunities our students have to get real-world experience that prepares them for that workforce. Students get this experience from day one when they join us, unlike many other engineering programs that don't necessarily allow students this level of engagement until their junior or senior year. This is why our seniors are very much in demand. Companies start to vet them for full-time jobs as early as freshman year. Many of our students have summer internships or internships over the winter break. They are working in their fields applying what they learned in our classrooms and our laboratories. Most of our graduates have jobs lined up before graduation. They hit the ground running. We have so much to offer here. I hope you'll take a closer look at how we can help realize your potential and put your talents to work solving real-world engineering problems.